Okay, so here we are again with the world's cheapest electric bike. As mentioned, the world's cheapest electric bike was involved in a bit of an incident with Paul and trying to go around the dog, so he bent the brake disc, and that means the rear wheel needs to be removed so we can fit a new brake disc. Now, as being an electric bike, there are other things apart from the chain you have to worry about. Those are, of course, the electrical cables that run to the motor. Typically you have your phase wires, and then you have your Hall effect cable wires as well. In this case they're all in one cable, most of them are. It's internally routed though, so your controller is down here. If you isolate the cable, they're the Hall sensors in that plug, and they're your phase wires in that one. I didn't need to remove the cable completely, I just pushed it up a little bit to give me a bit more slack, and then lifted the wheel so it's sitting on the frame, and that should give us enough room to undo the bolts that hold the disc on. And then yes, you should be good as new again. So it's a two-part video, but the one of the graphics cards died in one of the machines, and I'm not paying COVID prices for a graphics card, so you know, that's just the way it is. This world's cheapest electric bike literally costs less than the GT 750 Ti at the moment, so that's kind of crazy. Yeah, £250 these are in some parts of the world, although the UK prices do vary. Yeah, that's all it's going to be. Is pushed it up there. There's a speed controller right there if anyone was wondering. That's the battery, big black box to the right. I have done a video of this before, of course. I took it off-road, took it for a load of watery stuff. The battery's quite protected, but the controller was the thing. It got some water on this plug here, and that just confused things a little bit, and it wouldn't run once it was dried off. It was fine. These controllers are readily available on eBay if you have one of these. Batteries are a little bit more difficult because you've got to go with the size of the frame, if you like, so you've only got this sort of size unless you want to run external batteries or something like that. 36 volts from memory, and I think it was about 8 amp hours, something around there. Brakes, these are just mechanical disc brakes, are not anything special. Disc brakes are 160mm and they're on a standard 6-bolt fitting, so it's fairly easy peasy to upgrade those. And yeah, let's crack on with the disassembly. I won't be filming that part, it's fairly straightforward. You just take 6 bolts out and put a new disc on. Thanks for watching.